Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage? Whatever. Have you ever heard of Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker. Have you ever heard of picking ain't easy? Yeah, but it is. Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, yeah, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin. I just want to make a video about what I sold. You know, I'm trying to switch stuff up a little bit and, do things a little different. Okay, first up, I sold a couple of items, and I'm going to go through it with you. First up, I sold my bread and butter stuff, paracords. I sold 3 of them this time. I have already wrapped this up for another customer, but it was the wrong one. He's supposed to get one of these, and I put a keychain in there for him. But this guy bought 3 of them. He bought 2 wristbands and 1 keychain. Okay, the wristbands sold for $24, and the keychain sold for $8.90. So that's a little bit over $30, and I paid $1.50 a piece for all these. I still got probably about 20 more. Okay, I've been selling 1 a week or 2 a week. This time somebody bought, last week somebody bought 2. This time somebody bought 3. Okay, next up is let me see what's next up. It's another one of my bread and butters. Chainsaw sharpener. Yeah, I paid $1.25 a piece for these. This one sold for, this one sold for $13.20. $13.20. I've been selling these almost every week. I've been selling one. I don't have number 2 more, but I've been selling them. They've been selling real good for me. Next up, okay, all together with them paracords, it was $32.90. Next up is, I already got it boxed up. So I put the picture on the screen. It's a pitcher, like a glass pitcher, the vintage Ireland glass coffee tea pitcher. I sold it for $18.30, $8 shipping and handling. I'll put a picture on the screen. Next up is, sorry y'all. Next up, I sold two Nintendo's, Super Nintendo Capcom's MVP football. I already got it wrapped up. I got another video showing you how I wrapped this. But they brand new. I bought them, I bought these when they first came out. So I've been having them for like 20 years. They sold. He bought 2 of them. These are the last ones I got. They brand new in the package. Okay, next up is I paid $2 for this. It's called the Sock Game. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Don't know what it's about. Nothing. Okay? It's just called the Sock Game. I don't know nothing about it. This sold for $26.90. You guys know, if you know me, if you watch my videos, you know I pay $2 for games. So I paid $2 for this. It sold for $26.90. Damn, I don't know why I put free shipping on there. Sold for $26.90. Next up, I sold a couple more knife sharpeners. You see, I ain't really paid $1 a piece for these. If you watch the video I made when I bought these, it was like 50 of them in the box. I paid $20. I bought all of them. So, yeah, I've been selling 2 of these a week probably. I sold 3 one time. You see the video what I made when I sold 3 of them. Guy wanted different colors. This guy didn't specify what colors he wanted. So since on my posting, I got some silver ones. I just threw these silver ones in there. So they come with that, and they come with these instructions. Damn, I got too many instructions. They come with these instructions too. Okay? So these sold for $21. Going to the same customer. Next up is a PS2 game. This game right here is a demo disc. It's brand new. It do have some package damage in it, but it's brand new. You gotta pay $14.80 for this, $3 shipping. $14.80, $3 shipping. Next up, Super Mario Brothers, Nintendo. I ain't even tested. It's not tested, but I got several of these, and I've been, you know, you guys know that I've been selling games since 2002 on eBay. So I got plenty of games. This Mario 3, Super Mario 3, Nintendo. Okay. Next up, y'all, I sold some more bread and butter stuff. Let me get it out for y'all right quick. More bread and butter. Bread and butter will keep you going. We finna get it out. Yeah, we finna get it out in a few minutes. Yeah, just hold on, y'all. Let me make some space for this. Bread and butter. Woo, Viewmaster. Yeah, I've been selling the hell out of these. Okay, we got one Viewmaster. The name of it is Mackamick Island, that's in Michigan. It's sold for $10, $2.80 shipping. Let me try to find that. Sorry I'm taking so long, y'all. But I'm trying to find this one. What the hell? Here it is. Right here. Like I said, this sold for $10, $2.80 shipping. Okay, the other one is called Pennsylvania. Hold on. Pennsylvania Dutch and Amish country, Pennsylvania Amish country. Did y'all see it in here? Next time I'm gonna get this stuff out because it takes too long to look for it. I just want y'all to see what I go through when I'm looking for stuff. It takes too long. So next time I'm just gonna pull these out before I make my video because I don't want y'all to be bored seeing me look for stuff. All right, so I'm gonna talk to y'all while I'm trying to find this. I might cut this video off. Here it is. Woo! Look at that. See that? Oh, let me take this plastic off. There it is, right there. Pennsylvania Dutch and Amish country. Okay, so I think that's it, y'all. I think that's all I sold. Yeah, that's all I sold. But I did have some problems with this one this one guy, I put a heated breathing hose on there for a CPAP machine, and eBay took it off. So eBay took it off of there, but he paid for it already. So I couldn't, you know, when eBay takes something off, they take the whole listing, they take the mailing, everything off, so you can't send it to them. But anyway, so I had a problem with that. I took care of that. I'm gonna go ahead and send it to him another kind of way. You know, go ahead and take a shipment loss. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Y'all wear the mask so we can get off this pandemic. Wear that mask. You know what I'm saying? And you all be safe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your buddies to subscribe. Tell everybody to subscribe. You know to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more viewers. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.